Another weather day that we kind of have to keep our eye on the sky.
Right, rightfully so that, we get the next weather system moving in when, a lot of people are off. Hopefully it won't be a whole lot of impacts on area roadways, but keep that in mind. If you're heading out tomorrow morning, I'm not expecting any travel problems whatsoever. It's tomorrow for that evening rush. We'll call it a rush. That's when we could have some issues. Take you through tonight's topic, shall we? Snow for everyone tomorrow. We're going to deal with frigid air returning to the entire area as we go into Tuesday, even Wednesday. And then we talk a weekend warming trend that I think you're going to like. So we're going to reserve some time for the good news here at the end of the forecast. Temperatures, it's chilly outside. Dover, New Philly down to 4 right now. Look at Ashtabula, 0, feeling more like -10. We're down to 9 at the Cuyahoga County Airport. It is a very chilly night after a chilly day. We'll call it that. But I think we've reached our low. And the reason why, we've got that wind coming out of the southeast. We've got increasing clouds. And the system off to our west is bringing in more moisture. And moisture likes to hold heat, relatively speaking. So I think temperature is going to warm tonight and tomorrow. High temperature should make it up into the upper 20s. Not bad, right? But look at all the snow we've got to get through. Pretty potent clipper. We highlighted this last week in the forecast, saying, that looks like a little bit more than just the average Alberta clipper. It's a Manitoba mauler, but all the same, right? But pretty decent area of snow. And this will be tomorrow's weather pattern. Clouds will increase. We'll see those winds kick up a little bit. And we're going to have some snow. And already in advance of that, we've got winter weather advisories down to our south and the west. And those are wind chill advisories and warnings out to the west with some of that cold air coming in behind the system on Tuesday. So hour by hour, temperatures rising through the early morning hours. Notice how those clouds thicken up. Here comes the snow overspreading the area anywhere between noon and about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I do think we get some snow around in the morning too, but this will be our bigger dose as we go throughout the evening. So there you go, 6 p.m. If you have travel plans tomorrow evening, we may have some snow-covered roads as this moves through. Temperatures, though, up in the upper 20s, so all that salt going to go to work on area roadways, and that all clears out just as quickly as it moves in. By Tuesday, early morning hours looking great for that return to school and back to work, but it's going to be cold on Tuesday with temperatures holding generally in the teens and maybe dropping back throughout the daytime. This is the latest model run now, indicating 1, 2, maybe 3 inches of snow. We can handle this, Northeast Ohio, especially after the last couple storms we've had. But again, it's that timing. Tomorrow evening with that snow, perhaps falling in the matter of a 6-hour span, that we could be dealing with some issues out there. So just heads up on that. By Tuesday, we'll be fine. Tonight, single digits to start, but those temperatures rising with that southeast breeze. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. I'm going to take you through the new graphics here. Focus on this. This is what you need to know. That's tomorrow, 28 degrees for a high, but as we go hour by hour, you can see the morning, that snow developing. It's going to start chilly, so that 28 happens later in the day with the snow likely, and then by evening turning colder, and I think we're going to have some blowing snow around here too. The rest of the 7-day forecast is going to be cold on Tuesday, cold on Wednesday. Look at the warm up though, Thursday and Friday. In fact, on into next weekend, we're talking 40s and 50s around here. And the reason why, that jet stream, which is bringing that cold air, is going to head back to the west again. And look at this warming trend. We're going to turn the wind out of the southwest again across all of the eastern half of the country. A little dose of cold air next weekend. And it looks like we're going to stay warm, not just next weekend, but I think we're going to get back to the warm air as we go beyond that. So 40s, 50s, we'll take that Saturday, Sunday. It'll help us get through the numbers that I'm going to cover up here. Chris?
You promised the good stuff and you delivered.
That's
Matt,
right.
thank you.